The spiral model of instructional design. This model of development combines the features of the prototyping model and the ADDIE model. To begin, a brief history of the spiral model. In an effort to combine the advantages of top-down and bottom-up design concepts, the spiral model was first conceived as a software development process, combining elements of both design and prototyping in stages. This model was not the first model to discuss iterative development, but it was the first model to explain why the iteration matters. Design and development efforts are applied at each phase of the project with an eye toward the end goal of the project. Kathy Seminamo and Debbie Kalk adapted this model for instructional design in their 2004 book, Real World Instructional Design. They simplified the process into 5 steps: define, design, demonstrate, develop, and deliver. This spiral model has the benefit of emphasizing the iterative components of instructional design and development, in which tasks from each of the 5 main phases represent ongoing activities that continue throughout the life of the creation process. Once a design decision is implemented, the other phases don't simply end. They are continually repeated on a regular basis to see if further improvements can be made. As shown in the illustration, as the spiral increases, the resulting instructional system design matures. It also illustrates how experts can use this ISD process with maximum efficiency by entering it at any phase or maturity level. In a real-world application, for industry and the government, entry points into the process are commonly determined by the sponsor of the project. There are constraints such as time and money. Regardless of the task or a given entry point into the process, with this model, risk management is a built-in feature. The advantages of the spiral model. Estimates of budgeting and scheduling become more realistic as work progresses, because important issues are discovered earlier in the process. The model is designed to cope with the inevitable changes to the learning experience that will happen over the course of design and delivery. Also, producers in a supportive role, such as multimedia creators, can start working on the project earlier and help shape the design process as well. Overall, the spiral method is considered one of the most flexible systems of instructional design. It is often mentioned as a preferred method for large projects because the cost and level of expertise needed for reviews throughout the span of the project can be high. Even with this consideration, the spiral method is still considered an influential instructional design model.